real-time radar.
All right, good to be back here from some vacation. Sorry, my voice is still on vacation, apparently. So let's check this out here. Looking at Pomeroy, Ohio, we have smoke, but we're getting ready again for the potential of some more storms. That will be, again, later developing. We already have one round a little to the east of here. Look at that smoke. It's pretty thick. Now, you'll get some of that washed out when you get some storms, and this is going to be a very busy week. Again, kind of that hazy look right there to South Williamson, and just something that we're going to have to get used to this week when the clouds build up. It looks a little hazy in front of them. Okay, so we're going to show you this multiple ways, multiple times. These complexes of storms are forming up here, and then we'll drop in. So the first one was right there along Interstate 70, and then took a turn. Let's watch that develop here today. There it was, came across to Wheeling, and then boom, all of a sudden went south. And I mean quick. Now it's cleared out. But there are new storms developing in the wake. It's just that hot, that humid. There's a little cooler air upstairs that's come in, and actually drier too. And what that does is that accelerates, when you get a storm developing, the downward motion. So you can get those downbursts. And now that's moving on over to Baltimore and DC. Back here, well, a new cluster of storms is beginning to develop around Columbus. There's energy back here. There's energy up here. That all could tumble on in. Current warnings are down here to the south. They'll expire here pretty soon. Talking about southeastern West Virginia. The watch was expanded back here. This was kind of the initial box for severe thunderstorms. Storms came down and kind of just grazed a little portion, like a few miles of Kanawha, went through Clay, went down here through Nicholas. And then the Weather Service said, wait, the ingredients go all the way back here toward places like Richmond, Indiana. Flood watch until Friday morning. That's because of round of storms with a lot of rain, a round of storms again and again and again. So there's a lot on the table here. Storms up near Parkersburg. Again, everything else is kind of quiet now, but sunshine will lead to the flip of the script where, okay, we get the storms come through, it clears out, it gets sunny and hot all over again. Storms begin to develop. You can see them just tracking in right there, and there's more energy coming around this direction here, around that front. So the storm setup for today is exactly like this, and it will be like this tomorrow. Your upper level system track, your jet stream, is pushing those storms in here. And when it does it again and again, that creates a flooding potential, increased flash flooding potential associated with the upper level system, and each particular round of rain just adds to that problem. Here is the pattern that's kind of stuck. It's a very broad clockwise flow of high pressure here, but all it takes is one little ripple up on the north side of that, and we get what we call ridge runners. And they come down here. This will be tomorrow, Tuesday. Upper level high continues to impact the southwest and the southeast with the ridge runners coming in our way. And this is Wednesday. More storms coming in, plenty of rain. Let's look close here. Please don't chisel this in your mind in stone. These models have not been good, and there's a reason for it, which we'll talk about later. If you want to check it out, you can go on social media and find out. Storms coming down here again and again. Rounds of that tomorrow. 1, 2, maybe 3 rounds. And that's got some aggressive look to it there. Wednesday afternoon, maybe. So the weather model's trying to kick out something like 3, 4, 5 inches of rain over the course of the week. That's a lot. It's hot right now. We're in the 80s, except for some low 80s where we saw the storms. But here's your storm track today, category 2 in the yellow out of 5 with the tornado risk west of us. And tomorrow, tornado risk does come down into our neighborhood. Not a big one, but it is a chance, just not 0. All right, we'll keep you up to date on that. This is not one of those. There's more hype online than there is probably real storms, and there will be a couple times when it's kind of rough, but that's August, okay? 87 for tomorrow and 88 for Wednesday. The storms continue on and off in the upper 80s until the weekend. We get a little bit of a break, 86, but 91 is not much of a break on Sunday, is it? That's back to the toaster oven here. So get ready. The heat is sticking around as well as the humidity, and watch out if you see water over the road.